Hello friends, we are going to see the form view. Uh, Open your current website or a new. Okay, now uh, in toolbox data there is a data list, detail view, form view, grid view and list view. First of all we study form view. For form view, actually in a form view only one profile can be shown at a time. In grid view, details view, we can show multiple data at a time. Like we want to show the product name or product details, then we use detail view or grid view. But when we want to show only profile, like student profile or account profile, user profile, whatever, then form view is used. Here see, I have created form view, but I create it again. See, this is the place where I want to add my form view. Just write your code where you want to add your form view. My form view will be shown here. Now forget about this all, just here drag and drop form view. Now in design view click, then here is auto format. In form view there is some css is already given, or you can give it. I think this is good. Now this is a data source. If we want to add directly data from a database, then we select this data source. I show you SQL database or connection string. I have a college connection string which is in webconfig.com. I want to display student details, but I just want to display detail of that student which is login. So I make one condition where username is equal to season. In session, I my session name is Parimal, and just add okay, next, or finish. Okay, now run this page. Okay, the error is come because I have created form view. Now this is my login page. I have not login, so it go to login page. Now when I log in, my session is created with username Parimal 24SK. Now submit. Now view home view profile. Here is my profile where username is this. That I got. Now here is some error. Okay, here. Now I got my profile, but this is actually from SQL database, but I need to do this without database. So select none. Okay, everything is clear. Now edit template. In edit template there is item template, footer template, edit item template, insert item template, header template, empty data template, and pager template. In item template, I write username. Here footer template. In footer template, uh, you can add your footer, or in header template you can add your own header. Now, when you create a edit button, then the code will be written in edit item template. When you insert something, then code will be written here, insert item template. Here I just want to display profile, so I select item template. Here is username. Now I make one table, simply insert table. I have 20 rows or 2 columns, then background yellow. Okay, shit. I give the width of form view, it's 100%, and height will be 70%. Now edit template, item template, insert table, 20 rows, 2 column, and color will be this. Now okay, now here it is. I just want to display this at a center. Justify left as it is. Username, I show you my registration page. Now I display the data as in my registration form. So first of all, this is username. Now see here what I do. First column will be my label. So I set col_span is equal to 2. Here it is. Now here is account details. At center. Okay, here is username. I give the width of first 120. Now here just add one label here. Now it's complete. Now in label edit data binding, here is a text. Now here you have to write bind and the name of your username property. Now okay, for that I show you. Here is I already define all the property. Now I make one selectable. I'm not using here data SQL data source, so I have to insert from here. So I make one public data set. All the form view, grid view, the data type will be data set, and select student or pass the object of BLL file. Data set return something, so here I also create object of DLL file. Here it is. DLL. In BLL my all properties defined, or in a DLL my logic is, or my query command, everything is written in DLL file. Now from BLL I call the DLL. For that I have to make select DLL here. Now what it public data set or select student DLL, pass object of student DLL. Here write the code. Now I define SQL connection, command, SQL data adapter and dataset. For that we require this three namespace using system.data, using system.data SQL client, and using system.configuration. Now I use data adapter. In data adapter I write a query. So in a data adapter data adapter is equal to new SQL data adapter, write your query here. String select command text, and another thing is the connection. So first pass your query here. I just want to display profile. If you want to display your profile with some query or some condition, then you can write here. Now select star from student, and connection name is CN. Over. Now use dataset. Okay, dataset is equal to new dataset. Now not all code path return a value. This will return something. Return ds. Return ds. And data adapter, I pass my query to data adapter. Now I have to fill that data adapter. So write data adapter dot fill and pass object of dataset. This is object of my dataset ds, and this will return dataset. Now this is over. Now I call this select student DLL from my BLL file. Here I write select student DLL. Now return sd dot, sd is my object of DLL file. Now select student DLL, pass object of BLL. Student BLL SV. Okay, this is also done. Now see the flow. Now in code file, view code, on page load, form view 1 dot data source. Data source is equal to, I have to pass data source to form view. There is a two method. One is from SQL data SQL source, and second is from passing your query string. My query is written in DLL file, and this select student DLL is called from BLL file. So I call here BLL dot BLL dot select student BLL. Okay, done. Now data source is given to the form view. Now next thing is we have to fill the data set. So form view 1 dot data bind. After writing this code, your data will be displayed here. debug. See, in here code file form view one dot data source is equal to bll dot select student bll. Now it goes to the bll file. Now this return sd dot select student dll. Now it goes to the dll file here. Now in data adapter pass your query. Now data set data adapter dot field. Now return data set. Okay, now form view dot data bind, this will return your form. Oh sorry, I make a season student student submit. Okay, here it is. Username is Parimal24 JSK. Now do this for all your field or which field you require. So in item template I make a border of table. Border is equal to 1 pixel. Call cell padding is equal to 2 pixel. Cell spacing is equal to 2 pixel. And width of my table is equal to 80%. Now do the remaining thing. Username, then email address, mobile number, password, security question, security answer, then here put label, label 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 label. Now bind here bind. This is my email address, so I have to see the property of my BLL file. This is email address, edit data by name, bind email address, then mobile number, copy, data binding, bind, paste, then for password, copy, bind, bind, password, security question, bind, security answer, bind, over. Okay, username, email address, mobile number, password, security question, security answer. Then 60. Okay, done. Now, same way you can get all details which you want to display here. So I show you. Apply some CSS, property, then style, background, image, bg menu name, image, bg menu, yes. Okay, got it. Now I make one partition here that my all account details is get. Now the second part is uh, personal detail. For personal detail I use another table, so I delete this, everything else. Just end your table here. Now just copy this because we require the table with same CSS and same weight and style. So this is my table is created. Now again in first row call span design, edit template, select this row and apply your CSS here. Call span is equal to 2. Okay, done. Now here I make one break or horizontal rule, so it is separated. Make another break, here it is. Now do the same thing here, it must be at the center. Write personal detail, personal details, justify this as a center, personal detail justifies center. Formula, style, background, image. Okay. Just copy paste this one. Personal detail. Now it is done. Now again you can do edit template, minimize this, first name, copy paste first name, last name, birth date. Here label 1, label 2. Here I display birth date, so I use 3 label. One is for month, date, and third is for year. Now here I make separated point. So first name data binding, before that C property, bind, bind first name, then second is the last name, edit data binding, bind last name, then now birth date, birth month, and birth year. Birth date in label 1, data binding for birth date, bind. Now for birth month, edit data binding, bind. For birth year, data binding, bind birth year. Now run. Edit data binding. Here is some problem. Okay, I didn't save it. Save. Okay, birth date is 3/2/1992. Now here is the form view is completed, but the remaining thing you can create. What I create here, it's take time, but it's easy. Edit data binding, bind Xender, bind complete, then region label 1, data bind, bind religion, okay. See, if I write here religion, but I am not sure that the spelling is correct or not, so every time just copy paste from your property file, that is in VLL file. Okay, now next is address, label, address, data bind, address, city, state and country, label 1, 2 and here is 3. Now city, state and country. Okay, data bind, bind city, bind state, state and country, bind country. I think personal detail is completed, so save and check. Okay, this is done. Now the remaining thing is personal detail, account detail completed. Now education background and admission details. So again, close your table here, table, and just copy paste your first table and row. This will be my educational background. Okay, in educational background, again edit template, minimize, education, passing year and result. So copy and paste education, passing year and result. Break here, BR, education, passing year, result. Again edit template, make label 1, label 2 and label 3. Again education, here is the last education, so data bind last education, done. And passing year, bind here, bind passing year, and last is result. Edit data bind result over, check. Okay, you can change the color of this font so it is easily viewable. Property style 3 source text color is equal to red. Okay, I have to select some other color, so color is equal to white. Split, yes, white is correct. Okay, now here is my account details, personal detail and educational background. Design template, educational background. Now how much thing is remaining? This two, admission detail, college and course. So again copy paste and just copy paste the whole table. Before that break, now paste, and here is admission detail. Admission details, college and course. College, course, binder, college, course, and this is not required. Okay, admission. Now I think everything is complete. Now just run. Oh, here is error because here is the spelling mistake of course. So here course, edit template, course edit bind. Okay, save and run. Okay, everything is here. Account details, username, email ID, mobile number, password, security question, security answer, then personal details, education background, admission detail. Here you can add your own header or footer. So here I write my profile in header. So in header template, go to the source. There it is. Here it is. H1, and this is my profile. this is profile. Okay, now put them at center. This is my profile. Then again edit template, header template, and at center. Okay, this is done. Oh, sorry. Here I make a session that timeout at I think 30 minutes. So every time I have to log in. Now this is my profile. First is account detail, second is personal detail, and third one is education background, fourth one is admission detail. Now in footer you can add your own footer or it is not needed. Now this is your form view, so it's looking like good. So what is done here, only one profile is shown here, and in form view there is a no no need to do this, just now this is done. In next video I will show you how to edit this field, update this field, and here no need to delete or new because this is a user account profile, so user can't delete that profile information, he just delete that account. The insert and delete will be done by admin. So here is a student profile, so student can only view this profile, and if you want to edit something like user first name, last name, address, city, whatever, so make one edit method or edit button. This is done. Now in next video I will show you how to implement edit, update and delete. Okay. Thanks for watching.